What's up, world? Will Hawkins Photography, and today I'm going to show you two different ways to use a beauty dish. The first way, really easy, simple, clean beauty lighting. The second way, we want to recreate sunlight using a beauty dish. Let's get into it. So on this first shot, we used the beauty dish in the manner it was intended to be used. And you'll be able to see that with the beauty dish, it normally just lights the neck, face, and the top of the head. But I also added in a silver reflector just to fill in the shadows, make some highlights, and even give her skin a little bit of a harsher shimmer. My camera was a Nikon D810. I also used the 85mm 1.8, and my settings were ISO 100, f8, and shutter speed was 160. I wanted to use a beauty dish to recreate sunlight. So because a beauty dish is round and it gives off such a hard light, you can pretty much use it to recreate the sun if you position it in the right way. I put the light camera right up high at a 45-degree angle, which created these deep shadows on the subject behind her. The settings for this were ISO 125, f6.3, shutter speed was 1/25 of a second. So as you can see, using a beauty dish in two different ways is very simple. You can use it in a traditional manner to recreate a beauty look, or you can use it to even recreate sunlight. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment, and I'll see you guys again soon. Also like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. See you soon.